Alrighty, everybody. I just want to film a little update, little walk and talk session. Just nothing too long, nothing too serious. Just want to let everybody know that we will be at the Indy Mopar swap meet. I have missed the past 2 years because of medical complications and other crap like that. But this year, I am determined to make it. So I will be there. And that would be, I'll put a little annotation down there, the dates exactly, because I can't remember. But anyways, we will be there. And hope to see you guys there if you happen to be in the area. I'm not saying make a big long trip to come meet us. I'm going to be there to sell parts. Hopefully make some money so that way I can afford to keep buying parts to finish all these cars. Because, well, it does take money sometimes to finish things up. And, well, money ain't free. So, you guys happen to be at the Mopar Indy swap meet, feel free to stop by. I'm not saying you got to buy anything, but it'd be cool to shake your hand and meet every single one of you that's around. So, look forward to seeing the guys there. And otherwise, see you guys in the video. Oh, Baja Bug, oh, Baja Bug. Oh, it's a glorious day to always see this beautiful hunk of German, American, Mexican, Spanish. I don't even know what the heck this thing is. It's a freaking Baja Bug. Anyways, we have a skull shifter that Ann and I made moons and moons ago, and it's tapped it and threaded, and we're hoping we got the thread size right. The internet said 12 millimeter, but it didn't say which 12 millimeter. Looks like we got the right 12 millimeter. Fantastic. Yep, that's gonna have to stay. That's fantastic. Yep. What do you think about it, Dad?
Is he really gonna be looking at me?
Yeah. So how's fitting that seat going for you, Dad? Is it about as good as when you did the driver's seat?
There's B. There's B.
Did your floor in a can, is it obstructing you in any way?
No, I don't look like it should.
That's good. Floor in a can is working fantastically. In fact, we had some of that was actually quite thin, and we tested for strength, and yeah, it was plenty strong. Let's just say that much. We got a good floorboard, we know that much, and you know, I'm not afraid to kick the rocker as much anymore. Don't worry about the blister there, it's the fungus. But yep, Blana hats are flying, so.
I'm gonna get my knee pads.
Oh God. Alright, we're gonna get this other seat in there and let the craziness begin as we take this thing out for one little more skirt around the property before we tear her down and make her look freaking fantastic. And by that I mean we're gonna put a whole bunch of chrome on this thing, and hopefully we don't ruin the image of it with a bunch of chrome. And maybe a visor, but we ain't got one yet. Nice knowing you, Anna. Oh, forgot my oh shit rope. We ain't got any seat belts. I guess we'll be fine. We don't need those where we're going.
Where we're going?
Yeah, where we're going. As long as we don't lose the rear view mirror. Don't forget e-brakes on.
Where's that at?
She's over there.
I better stand back so you don't spray rock at me.
Oh God, it is like a freaking golf cart.
Huh?
It's just like a golf cart.
Oh.
Bug and doing a danger ride.
Gotta see what's going on now.
Yeah. Alright, well our neighbor's okay, just ran out of gas. Woo! This thing is definitely fun. Ah.
I can probably go through the ditch.
No, let's not go through the ditch. I don't think that's a smart move. Anna!
Looks like they're having fun.
Oh God.
Well, you know it's gonna do it. You know it's gonna do it.
Oh, we're going up on the hill by the crawler. Oh shit. Oh. Oh Lord. Thank you for the tape on the oh shit handle. I just imagine that Anna's camera view, this is not looking as intense as it feels. We're just going like 4 miles an hour. And here it feels like we're going 50. Oh, that's fantastic.
That may be that roll cage bounce right back here. Hitting home.
Well, the roll cage was kind of free of the floor pan, I noticed. We might need to do a little bit of something about that.
On up the hill. Big rut there.
Woo, doggy.
You having fun?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Kind of rough. Wow. Kind of rough.
Wow. That was pretty intense.
It looked like you guys were having fun.
Did it look like we were just going like 3 miles an hour?
No, I was like running to try and keep up with you guys.
I was gonna say, because I was really worried that the footage was gonna look like we're just kind of like,
No.
okay, good, because it felt like we were going pretty, getting after it a little bit, what it felt like. That's fantastic. Everybody should go out there and buy a freaking Baja Bug, regardless of how annoying they can be to work on. In my opinion, it's like a overgrown golf cart.
You're right. It's like a golf cart.
It's fantastic. Well, let's get her back up to the shop.
All right, head for the shop.
Coming back to the shop, they say. There they are.
Anna wasn't filming none of that, man. Huh? Anna didn't catch none of that. That was epic, and I missed the first half of it.
Fuck on 4 speed.
Yeah. Oh God, tree.
Don't hit the tree.
Oh, we cleared the tree.
Oh, that was close. We're probably good. We need headlights.
All right, that's what we got for now. Let's make it pretty. Yeah, no, we got to make it where we can shut it off now. Oh yeah, we can just clutch dump it.